Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, here is a video I don't make a whole lot of. Story is I got this generator. It says the Coleman Maxa MAXA 4000 ER Plus. Judging by the looks at it, I'll say it's from the 80s. My friend got it for free back in 2012 by a little old lady. She said it was hard to start. So we got to his house, we drained out all the old gas and put fresh in, checked all the fluids, and it started right up, and we plugged a lamp into it and it worked. And then it sat from probably 2012 till whenever I get this thing running again, so I don't think it's been started since I've touched it last. Yeah, I just checked the oil, and the oil is clean. Probably should change just because of time, but I want to make sure the engine still runs. I pulled on the pull cord and the compression feels kind of low, but it feels like there's enough there to start it. And I was just going to drain out the gas because I thought there's a whole lot in there. Yeah, you can't really see that, but it looks like dark pea with a greenish tint. I thought there was a lot more gas in there, like at least a gallon, where I could easily drain out most of it and kind of flush it out a little bit. Good idea what I'm working with, but anyways, I need to go down to the gas station, I guess, and buy some gas because I don't really want to put two-stroke gas in there and waste all that. And I don't want to go up to carburetor by putting two-stroke gas in. So anyways, here's what it looks like. Not bad for free. I got it for free because he got it for free. He's moving to Florida. So anyways, I'll get back to you guys when I get some gas. Alright, I just got back from the gas station. I bought 2.5 gallons of gas. Probably a quarter of that will be used just to flush out the tank because, like I said, the gas still smells like gas, but it's like not even a yellow, it's like an orange. So, a yellow, orange. Yeah. So, let me turn off the gas. Oh, alright, did turn it off. Sweet. Get a funnel. I'll show you guys in a second about what this gas looks like. Don't want to waste too much of it. Let's readjust this. Wash this around. Oh yeah, that looks nasty. Okay. Not very much is coming out of the line. Well, the gas does smell much more fresh. Might need another piece of line that might be collapsing. And unfortunately I threw away all my cannobians like that. Unless I get something off the Jeep. I'll get back to you when I figure this out. Okay, I got all that bad gas flushed out, I think. Oh. I also unclogged the fuel line. I think it was the valve underneath the tank. I just blew some compressed air. Back flushed it. So, I tried back flushing it with my mouth, and that nasty old gas tastes horrible. Ugh, needs a burn in your mouth. But here's what came out of it. It's actually more of a brown. So, I don't even know if I want to put that in my car. You know, I just put some gas in there. I don't want to put too much in there. Once again, I don't know how good this motor is. Let's see, how do you start this? Run. The choke is over here. I don't know which way's the choke. Let's assume it's that way because there's an arrow. See the stuff. It ran a couple years ago, but that was 2012, so 5-6 years ago. Well, the motor's definitely good. Let me see if I can find a lamp or something and test the turbine. Okay, I should have cut the video, I guess, but I found something pretty fast. Sander. I've only used this probably once in probably the last 10 years. So on. Let's turn on half choke. top outlet I guess doesn't work, but the bottom one does.
I thought you were blowing, but you're charging out the generator?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's that. I was pretty sure this is a good generator because, like I said, it came from a friend and I heard it run. And to be honest, I really don't think it was touched since I've touched it. Judging by the old gas and how I properly drained out the carburetor and drained out all of the gas, and anyways, there it is. I guess I should change the oil on it just because of age. Probably put 2050 in there since the motor feels like it's a little bit lower compression, but anyways guys, over and out.